Have you ever gotten an RV or van and they give you shades to put in the front windows and they just don't exactly fit? They're okay, but they're not great. Let me tell you about my story and how I got connected with van-made gear, because this is going to be a good one. So I've had a couple different kinds of vans over the years, RVs, that sort of thing, and I've never really had great success with finding a front window shade that really got all the light out. If you're like me and you're sort of light sensitive and you like it really dark at night, this was one of those things that drove me crazy. So when I went to Camp Echo the first time, I was turned on by Van-Made Gear, and they said, just try this out, see if you like it. I'm like, wow, okay, that's a game changer. It really went around the rearview mirror. I'm like, okay, this is really nice. And of course, I've got a dog, and I found out my last rig how much she likes to scratch my windshield and or my side windows if she sees something out there like a bunny rabbit or someone walking up. So I wanted to keep those windows protected a little more. The last cover I had just wasn't that thick, didn't work very well. So I bought a whole set. I bought for the windshield and for the side windows, tried them out for a few months and thought, okay, this is awesome. What else do they have? One of my other complaints that I was trying to, obstacles I was trying to overcome was in the back bedroom. Although I really liked the shade, the shade and the screen, it was easy to do, it was just a little too wide. And every time you turned around, you bumped yourself on that plastic. Not really my favorite thing. And it was still having a lot of light come inside when it was early in the morning. So I found out that they made the shades for the rear windows in, of course, the Winnebago Echo. I'm like, done, buying them. Now, I have to tell you, this is a small operation, okay? So when you order them, you're not going to get them in 2 days. They actually hand make these. They have a fantastic, system and great people that work there. Simon, who owns it, does a great job, and I'm really impressed with their quality. So it took a little while. So if you order, just so you know, it's not going to come immediately. It may take a few weeks to get to you, but it's completely worth the wait. So I ordered the back two, got those in, installed them, love, love, love them. And I started thinking, okay, well, if it makes a difference there, I was primarily thinking of the light. Wasn't even thinking about the insulation at that time. That wasn't like a big factor for me. But the more and more I was in my Echo, because I've been in my Echo, I would say at least 9 months out of the past 12 months, I realized I need these for insulation. It makes a huge difference. When I was in the back bedroom in the summertime, oh, wow, did it keep that heat at bay. I mean, it's still a little warm, don't get me wrong, because I had to keep things circulated. But when I'm boondocking, it's fantastic. So, guess what? I ordered some more shades. And so I ordered one behind the driver's seat and one behind the passenger seat. And I thought, okay, I'll get those two, and we'll get that going. It's going to make a difference. And it really did make a difference. I could tell the difference in heat and in cold, actually, now that I'm in the cold, as to how it really helps and what it does. So, Van-Made Gear, number one, very well put together. Number two, definitely helps on the insulation. And number three, now they've got a new product. Let's take a look at it. So one of the biggest temperature differentiations, I say there's 3 zones in your RV. There's your front cab, there's your living space, and your bedroom space, specifically in the Winnebago Echo. So I look at these zones very differently, but because I travel with a pet, I'm really aware of the temperature differentiations. So in the wintertime, I used the curtain that was given to me by Winnebago, and it was okay. It wasn't bad. It was like a quilt, not too bad. But I had a hard time when I didn't want it. I have to take it down, roll it up, put it in a cabinet, or put it in the back. It's just one more thing I've got to store. It took up a lot of space. Didn't want to deal with it. So Van-Made Gear came up with a new idea, and I really like this. And I thought long and hard on this one because I was like, I don't know, am I really going to use it? I mean, what am I going to do with it? Do I like the way it looks? I love this. I installed this not too long ago, and it comes in a very easy kit to do, so I can do it myself. That's number one. Number two, it can be rolled up in sections. So it has 3 separate sections. So if you want to keep the middle section open, you can keep the middle section open. If you want to put things in the back pockets, it's fantastic to store very light items, things that you need a flashlight or remote control for the TV, whatever that might be. Very, very handy. But more importantly, I was able to keep my dog from going in the front of the cab, and on days it was really, really cold. And I loved that. So it really kept that buffer that I needed, because although that blanket was nice, it didn't seem to work very well and she could snuggle underneath this. She can't do that very well in the Van-Made Gear. It has made a huge difference. I did a video a while back. It was the coldest day that I've ever had. In here it was in the 20s, and it was 50 some degrees. It was like a 20-degree difference between the living portion and the front. So it did hold that back and keep that cold at bay. So I'm really impressed by the quality and, once again, the thermal, ability to keep things where it needs to be. So once again, Van Made Gear, have nothing but amazing things to say. I think you guys should try them out. And oh, by the way, have I told you they have these cubby covers too for the Echo? Really neat. They come in lots of different things. And if you have a Transit or you have a Sprinter and you have an awesome DIY van, they have lots of things for you guys too. So I'll leave a link in the description below of all the things I've talked about. Check them out. Trust me, once you go there, you're never going to change. It's amazing. If you like this video and you're interested in this product, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe and that bell to get notified. Share this out to friends who are interested in van life and RV life, because you never know, this product could help them too. So until next week, safe travels and happy trails. Okay, so we're hanging back in my bedroom. Just wanted to show you these amazing shades in the back here. They're pretty easy to install, and I can't imagine now not having them. They made a huge difference in temperature, and also, you're not banging your arms on that, plastic frame.